Everybody, hope everyone's well, having a fantastic day today. So today I'm cooking. I'm going to cook. I've got some beef burgers that I need to use up, so I'm going to have a couple of them. That leaves one. I've got a couple of batter puddings, which I'm going to use as well, and that'll leave none. I managed to get some brioche burger buns today, so I'm going to smash the black pudding. I'm going to smash the British beef quarter pounders, smash them, smash that. Everything's going to get smashed. I'm going to chuck it all in a pan, and yeah, we'll take it from there. There we go. There's another one. There's a black pudding. Fingers. Okay. Let's see if we can get a couple more of them going. A bit sticky. The other half. Need a and then oh, look at that. A little bit. Okay, I think what I might do is I might just off with a cut. I'll cut. Just cut the brioches in there. Just let them crisp up a little bit. Need a bit of cheese, I think. In fact, get it stay there a minute. Just going to move them out of the way. Sweep these out of it. And get a bit of black pudding on that. Black pudding on that one. if I can just pick them up. There you go. There's one on there. Not really the best, is it? But you know. A couple of brioches in there. Soak up some of that flavour. Right, here we go. Got a bit of campfire mayo. Can have that on the bottom one there. There's one. Oh yeah, that's just about cooked, that is. Bit of campfire mayo on that one. Oh, that smells good. There we go. Quick, easy smash burgers. Hopefully you can see them. So we just got the beef burger, the black pudding, 4 blends of cheese, cooked in the fat from the burgers and the black pudding, and yeah, looking pretty good. Right, so I just decided to mix it up a bit. Ooh. Gonna have a bit of the peri peri on there as well. Oh. So that is the lunch and dinner again. In fact, that might be the breakfast, lunch and dinner again. Washing up out of the way. Right, so hopefully you can hear me. There's one of the burgers and the other one. It's just there. So yeah, I guess I'll tuck in. So yeah, very nice too. Nice bit of crunch to the black puddings, just how I like it really, and the burgers are nice as well. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give us a like if you did, or if you didn't, watch the one previous, and you might maybe like that, and give that a like instead. Right, thanks everyone. Have a great day. Bye bye.